Guys, and welcome back to my channel, and you've all requested that I show you a tutorial for how I shave my face. So let's get started. So this is the razor that I use. This is the kind of razor you can purchase any brand. Now these are called face razors or eyebrow razors, and if you just do a basic Amazon or Google search, you'll find tons of options. This particular one even comes with a safety cover, which I really like because I like to keep this in my purse just for, you know, some last minute needs if I'm outside somewhere or when I'm traveling, which I can't wait to do once this lockdown's over. But you can basically go for any brand. So this was for around 125 rupees for a set of 3 razors. You could use a normal razor as well, that will work just the same, but I just somehow find that maybe a little too sharp or you know, just not suitable for our faces. Some people do use that, but I don't like it. I've never tried it though, and I don't want to. With the normal razors though, the problem is that you really need to lather up your face, which really takes up too much time. I don't want to do that. I'm lazy, so I just use this. And all you need is a dry and clean face, and then all you need to do is take this and glide it across your face, and that's it. This is that simple. I just want to do like a recap of the pros and cons, which I have done like a gazillion times, but then let's just do it. It'll take a minute. So this is super cheap, like 125 for 3 reusable face razors versus paying 300, 500, I don't know what all amount to, you know, shave your body, shave one part of your body. For just your upper lip, it costs around 80 rupees at least in a decent salon. Then if you get your chin and stuff done, it costs around 120, 180, 200. Why do you want to spend so much? So in general, I'm against waxing and all these other methods. And all the other methods are super painful. They do not reduce your hair growth. This does not increase your hair growth. This does not make your hair grow thicker. And I think that's about it. And this also saves a lot of time because it takes about 5 minutes to touch up your face. You know, maybe the first time it will take a little longer for you to get a hang of, and you know, even to completely shave your face. But once you've done that, all you need to do is every couple of days just touch up the parts where you need it. You don't really need to do a full face every day. So I shave my face about once every 2 weeks. I don't think I shave more than that. I think quite less frequently. And this is also a big you know, boon for me in this lockdown period, because while everyone is waiting for the salons to open and rush there, I don't need to because I have this. So let's get started. Just wash your face, clean it, completely makeup free, dirt free face with a lot of growth. I was waiting for this so that I could really show you the before after. And let's get started. This is not how you do it. This is the angle. If you go at this angle, you're practically doing nothing. This angle is what helps you really shave your hair off. You really don't need any products. You really don't need anything. And just be careful around any acne or any scars or any injury. That's about it. So my hair is all out of my face, and I'm gonna get started. So now I have this stray hair here right in the middle. Now that's up to me whether I shave it off or not. I'm gonna shave it off right now because it's just looking weird. I was getting away with this because I had a fringe. So what I'm gonna do is at that angle, 45-degree angle, that's it. See how that came off? Now that is really cringy, but that's how that came off. And that's all you need to do. Like, that is it. Along the edges of any bits, like around the edges of your hairline, your eyebrows, what I prefer is going outside, inside to out, so that I have much more control over what part of my hair I'm shaving and how much deeper I want to go in. That's about it. See, this part is done. I don't know if you can really see the minute hair coming off on camera. So I just have a bit of a tissue paper. And can you see? I know that's really gross, but this just shows you that the hair really came off. I'm not going anywhere near my eyebrows now. This is just my hairline done. I can choose to go in deeper. That's completely up to you what you want. Moving on to the other side. But that's it. My forehead is done. And it took what, 2 minutes, because I was narrating things to you, and also because it's difficult to shave on my phone's camera, my phone's front camera, that too. So it's much easier if I just do it in front of my mirror. And now I'm going to come to my eyebrows again, outside to in, right? Do you see this? That was just the hair that I'd shaved off. Now, you really need to be careful and be in control when you're doing your eyebrows, especially the first time, because you don't really want to, be too happy with this and go ahead and ruin your eyebrows. I don't want you to do that. So just be a little careful. It's always easier to go in and shave a little bit more than just going in and, waiting for them to grow all the way back. And lockdown should not be the reason why you become Mona Lisa. You could just use a spoolie to comb out your eyebrows. Alright, that way you can really see the shape that you want, because they just flatten out, right? You're going to fill up your eyebrows if you do that. Now, yeah, I always tend to make my razor flat, but that's wrong. Don't do that. See that? That was just so easy. I don't really shave on the inner side of my eyebrows because I'm lucky that my eyebrows are not that hairy. But if you want, all you need to do is go in, just stretch, because this part is really sensitive and also it creases up. And just go in as much as you want. That's about it. Alright, now I'm going to start here. Now, this is the part for me and for most people that really needs trimming rather than shaving. So don't be in a hurry to just shave that bit to make it look nicer. It won't happen that way. You're done with your eyebrows, you're done with your forehead. Moving down in the same way, shorter strokes. No need to go in your under eye area, there's nothing there. Over your nose. Some people really think that it helps in removing blackheads. It reduces them a little bit. It's like a temporary fix. It's not going to cure them. But yeah, why not? You could do this. So don't forget the space between your eyebrows. Now, just sweeping it over my cheeks. Now at this point, you're going to do your sideburns. Just remember to pull all the hair back. You don't want to accidentally shave that unless you're intending that. But don't, because that'll look weird. I'm gonna shave till this point. I really have hairy sideburns, and I don't really like bleaching them because they just turn golden and that's visible. I don't like it. So slowly go towards the hairline. See how this clumps up together. That's just all the hair that's coming off when you're shaving. Make sure that both the sides are similar. Heading over to the most important bit. So, just the faces that you make when the salon didi asks you to, make when she's doing your upper lips. Same thing. All you have to do is basically, the reason is to just stretch this bit out so that you don't cut yourself, so that you get all your hair, and it's just quicker. Did you see that, guys? So I have a bluish undertone in this area. No matter how often I shave, no matter what I do, it's always going to be there. So if you're expecting your skin to be color corrected after this, that's not going to happen. The bluish undertone is just because that's how my skin is. That's how the veins are there. So that's got nothing to do with your hair. And that won't increase or decrease because of shaving. Also, I like going in the direction of my hair growth. I think that's just gentler on my skin. And I am done with my upper lips. My mustache is gone. Now, this is the bit that is left. Okay, my face is done. And I'm also going to shave my chin because I tend to have like a little bit of growth there. You might have that if you're prone to hair growth over here, or if you have any hormonal issues, and that's okay. You can just shave it off in the same manner. And I'm done. So this took me about 10-12 minutes while narrating to you, but that's about it. That's as long as it takes to do a complete face. And this is when I've not shaved my face in what, over 3-4 weeks, just to show you guys how it's properly done. And if I just maybe, shave when I need to, like maybe my upper lips will come back in a week or two, and that's when I'll just shave off the upper lips. I don't need to do my eyebrows and forehead that often. My sideburns I need to do like once a month, twice a month, very rarely. So that's about it. It takes two minutes to do these bits. I just keep this on my washroom sink, and it's just like a routine for me. When I brush my teeth, if I need to, I just go in and shave whatever bits need to be shaved, and that's it. So that's it, guys. I hope you love this tutorial. This was super easy. This is something that you really need to do. Trust me on it and thank me later. If you have any more queries and questions, hit me up in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.